The story says that Theseus left the port of Athens on his ship, A. During his travels, Theseus systematically replaced every part of his ship with a new part, discarding the old pieces overboard. Another boat, the Scavenger, followed Theseus and fished out all the discarded pieces to gradually and systematically rebuild his own boat. At the end of his journey, Theseus returned to the port of Athens on his boat B, now entirely made out of new parts. In turn, the Scavenger docked his own ship, C, now composed of all the physical parts of Theseus's original boat, A. Which begs the question, which boat, B or C, is more authentic in relation to A? As Mark Cohen puts it, our problem is to sort out the identity and non-identity relations among A, B, and C. The only obvious fact is that B is different from C. After all, they are berthed side by side in the harbor, so they can hardly be one and the same ship. Beyond that, there are two alternatives. The first position follows the mereological theory of identity, MTI, stating that the identity of an object depends on the identity of its component parts. According to this logic, A equals C, given every physical part of A is equal to every physical part of C. The second position follows the logic of spatiotemporal continuity, STC, stating that a persisting object must trace a continuous path through spacetime, and tracing a continuous path is compatible with a change of parts so long as the change is gradual and the form or shape of the object is preserved through the changes of its component materials. According to this logic, A and C are two different ships, even though their physical parts are the same. This position argues that A and B are the same ship, even though they have no physical parts in common.